gpiozero.com, and if you like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are gonna build a first Raspberry Pi project. So today we are gonna build a first Raspberry Pi project. This is gonna be so interesting. So without any delay, let's get started. Dip! So guys, today we are building the blinking LED project. So this LED over here that you see will blink, right? So over here you need to connect this LED like this, right? So this over here, this one over here, this is the positive one, the longer part of the LED, and this one is the shorter one, right? This one is the positive and this one is basically this one is the longer part and this one is the shorter part, right? Then we need this 330 ohms resistor, right? And we are connecting it. So this is being connected with our longer part, right? So this 330 ohms resistor is being connected with our longer part, right? And it is ending up over here, right? So as you can see, it is ending up over here. Now with this resistor we need to attach a male to male wire. So this male to male wire that has on both ends it has pins. So this male to male wire, on both ends it has pins, right? So this we need one end of it we will connect with our resistor, right? So let's just connect it. So one end it is connected with the resistor, right? And the other end will be connected with GPIO 25, right? That is on the 11th spot. So just below the ground, if you can see, okay, let's focus over here. So just below the ground you can see there is GPIO 25, right? That is on the 11th spot, right? So it is on the 11th spot. So over there we will need to connect a first male to male wire that we have connected. So over here, just below 10, you will connect our GPIO with our GPIO 25, a male to male wire. So it is now connected, right? And then what we need to do, we need to take the second male to male wire, that is this. It has on both ends it has pins, right? The first part of it we will connect, right? So the first part of it, sorry about that, the first part of it we will connect with the negative part. So over here with the smaller part, that is this over here, right? So with this smaller part we'll connect the first part of our wire. So we'll connect with and the other end will go to our ground, that is just above GPIO 25. So the other end will go above our GPIO 25, and this was the connection to be made, right? It is not blinking right now because we need to write code. So over here with this we connected a male to male wire, right? And it went and got connected with ground. Then we connected a resistor, 330 ohms resistor. Then we connected our second male to male wire. It go on, and it ended up connecting with GPIO 25. So this was the circuit that was needed to be made. And let's write some code for this LED to be go on blinking, right? So let's write some code now.
Okay, so now let's write some code so that our LED can finally blink. First of all, what we need to do, we need to use a library named gpiozero to control our GPIO pins that are there on our Raspberry Pi. Next, what we need to do, we don't need to import the whole library, right? We only need to import an LED, right? So from gpiozero, we only need to import LED, right? Because we only want to control LEDs and nothing else. Then to make it blink on certain intervals, what we need to do, we need to stop it, then start it, then stop it, then start it, so it will give us a blinking effect. So for that, we need to make when we switch on the LED, and then we need to just give a little delay, then switch it off, then we have to give a little delay and switch it on, right? Forever like that. So to switch to give a little bit delay, for that we will use the sleep method that is in our time library. So from time, we only need to import sleep, right? Next what we have, we need to create an LED object, right? So this is an LED object, we'll call LED and pass it 25. So as we know, we want to control GPIO 25 pin because there we have connected a power. So there over there is a power connected. So if we control LED 25, then only we will be able to supply power through that through GPIO 25 pin. So we need to control LED 25 and say whatever we need to do is with so we need to control GPIO pin 25, and whatever we need to do right now, we need to do it with GPIO pin 25. This will return us an object that we will save in LED. Next, forever we need that light to blink, so we'll give while true, right? So that this loop goes on forever, right? So the next step is to switch on the LED. So that we will use an object, our LED object, and say switch on. So now this will start supplying power, right? This will start supplying power to our LED, and then it will blink, right? Now it will just switch on. It will not blink, right? It will not blink. What we need to do, we need to add a delay and we'll add a very little delay, right? So that it gives us a good effect. Next, we'll switch it off after the delay so that we have a blinking effect. LED dot off. And then finally, we need to give sleep 0.1, because when it will go back above to the first statement, now after this statement, if we didn't give this, it will just directly go back and it will seem like that it never switched off. So we just need to wait for 0.1 second and then switch it on once again. And this was our blinking LED code. Let's see it blinking in action now.
So just at the moment I press run, this LED over here will start, then wait for 0.1 seconds, then it will stop, then wait for 0.1 seconds, then start, then stop, then start, then stop, and it will blink forever. So let's run this in 3, 2, 1, start. And you can see our LED, guys, is blinking so fast. You can see it clearly over here, and you have just built your first Raspberry Pi program. This red LED is blinking. As you can see, the connections are the same and our LED is blinking, and this is so cool, guys, right? This is just so magnificent. We have a blinking LED, and we'll do more Raspberry Pi projects just like this. Till then, I hope you like the video, guys. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Bye.